Hi friends, welcome to this video. The amide contains, right? So the amide contains what? It contains how many sigma, only sigma bonds they have mentioned. B sigma bond and one pi bond, dative bond, two pi bonds and one sigma bond, right? So if you don't know the structure of amide, then you can't tell only. So we know that what is amide? Amide is nothing but the RCONH2. So this is what amide. So this amide, what are there? It contains sigma bond. This is sigma bond, right? So it contains sigma bond. This is also sigma bond, and here this one will be sigma bond, and other one will be pi bond, right? So these things you have studied in first chapter, organic first chapter in class 11th only, right? How many sigma bonds are there, pi bonds are there, bond line representation, everything. So what amide? Amide contains what? Amide contains sigma bond as well as pi bond, right? So option will be what? Sigma bond, one sigma bond and one pi bond. So B is the correct option. Right, what is this dative bond? Dative bond is nothing but the bond found by like this. For example, if I have BCl3, if I have Cl minus, this will donate its electron density and forms a bond, right? So that is nothing but the dative bond, we can call it as, right? Coordinate bond, for example, metal complexes are there, ligands, ammonia, like that, they forms a bond, coordinate bond, by donating that electron like this, right? They will share that bond, we call it as dative bond, dative bond or coordinate bond. That is about coordinate bond. And you know about sigma bond and pi bond, no need to explain that. So in amide it has got sigma bond as well as pi bond. So option B is the correct option. So you can solve these problems only when you know what is amide, right? If they asked you for ester, how many sigma bonds and pi bonds are there, whether it contains pi bond or not? Yes, it contains. Why? Because ester means C double bond O R dash, right? It contains what? Sigma bonds, it contains, and one pi bond, right? And if they ask you about ether, so ether means ROR. Here it contains only sigma bonds, no pi bonds, right? So these functional groups you should know, right? All these functional groups: alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acids, esters, ethers, everything you should know, right? Then only you can solve such problems. Thank you.